Have you ever found yourself with cash in your wallet but no time to stop inside the bank?
All the time.
The good news is that at most banks, you don't have to. Many people know they can withdraw money from an ATM, but surprisingly, a lot of people don't realize they can also deposit cash using the ATM. It's quick, it's convenient, and in many cases, the money is available in your account almost immediately. So in this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to deposit cash into an ATM, what you'll need before you leave home, a few mistakes to avoid, and what to do if the ATM won't accept one of your bills. Let's jump right in. Before heading to the ATM, take a minute to make sure you have everything you need. You obviously need the cash you want to deposit. You'll also need your debit card that's connected to the account where you want the money deposited. Some banks also allow you to use your phone instead of your physical card if you've added your debit card to your Apple Pay or Google Pay, and your bank supports contactless ATM transactions. Now, one thing I personally recommend is counting your cash before you leave home. It only takes a few seconds, but it gives you the peace of mind that the ATM counted everything correctly. You know, some of those bills can stick together. Now, if you're depositing several bills, you can even write the total on a small piece of paper or save it in your phone so you have something to compare it against. Make sure you're using the right ATM. This is one area where people sometimes get confused. You can usually withdraw cash from many different ATM networks. Depositing cash is different. In most cases, you'll need to use an ATM owned by the bank where you have your account. Now, for example, if you bank with Chase, you'll typically need to use a Chase ATM. If you bank with PNC, use a PNC ATM. While the screens may look slightly different from bank to bank, the overall process is very simple. So step 1, start your transaction. Once you're at the ATM, insert your debit card or use your phone if your bank supports contactless access. Enter your PIN when prompted. From the main menu, choose the option for deposits. Then select that you're making a cash deposit. Step 2, insert your cash. Take all of your bills you're depositing and place them into one neat stack. Depending on the ATM, you'll either place the cash into a tray or insert it directly into a slot that opens automatically. The ATM will pull the bills inside and begin counting them. This usually only takes a few seconds. Step 3, review the amount. After the machine finishes counting your money, it'll display the total it received. Take a moment to verify that the amount matches what you expected. If everything looks correct, continue with your transaction. If something doesn't look right, don't rush through the screen. Double check the amount before confirming. What if the ATM rejects a bill? Don't panic. If one or more bills come back out, ATMs sometimes reject bills that are torn, extremely wrinkled, maybe it's dirty, it's folded, or worn from years of circulation. Now, sometimes simply flattening the bill and trying again solves the problem. If it still won't accept it, you can usually bring the bill inside the bank during business hours. If that's the case, banks are often able to exchange damaged currency or deposit manually as long as enough of the bill remains to verify that it's legit. Once you've confirmed the amount, complete the transaction. The ATM will process the deposit and return your debit card. And obviously, you might just tap your card, so you would have had it the entire time anyway. Don't forget to take your receipt if you want a paper record, although many banks now also offer email or text receipts. One question people often have is how long will it take before they can use the money?
I need my money.
For many banks, cash deposits made at their own ATMs are available immediately or very shortly after the transaction is complete. However, every financial institution has its own funds availability policy, so it's always worth checking with your bank if you're depositing a large amount or need the money right away. Depositing cash at an ATM is one of those simple banking features that can save you a trip inside the branch. As long as you're using your bank's ATM, have your debit card ready, and verify the amount before confirming, the entire process usually just takes a couple of minutes. If this video helped you, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to The Modest Wallet for more straightforward personal finance tutorials that make managing your money a little easier. And let me know in the comments, have you ever deposited cash at an ATM, or was this your first time learning you could actually do it? Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.